Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So in this video, what we're gonna be talking about is how to trade level to level, all right? Now, if you hit IWM, I want you to put it in the comments, all right? Let me know how much you hit IWM for. It's not a secret that IWM went crazy today to the downside. I broke this down on live last night, right? Last night we went over IWM like we always do. And what happened? We hit it out the park, y'all. All right? So we're going to talk about that. If you guys are watching this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also remember, nothing that I say in this video is financial advice, right? If you want financial advice, go talk to a licensed financial advisor, right? I'm just sharing what I be seeing on the charts, okay? So when we think about being able to trade level to level, what does this even mean, okay? If I give you guys a level and I say puts below this level, okay? And I say, okay, we have another level down here. What it means is when we get below the level, you want it to close below that level. It's going to come back up. As long as it rejects, it's going to come back down. And it's going to come to the next level. All right? Another leg down. So with that being said, in order to be effective trading level to level, what do you need to know? Your levels, right? Your levels. And you need to understand which time frames you are operating on. Okay? So we're going to go slow and we're going to go through the actual the charts, and I'm going to break this down. But lives were changed today on IWM. Okay? They did what they did. I was talking about this drop all week. I had the levels charted back on Wednesday. This is why you got to pay attention to these videos. We're not making videos just to make videos. These levels pan out, okay? So once again, if you hit IWM, drop it in the comments, y'all, right? Drop it in the comments. I talk about IWM every single day, and we are effective when we hit it out the park every single day, y'all. Just think about how powerful this stuff is. You could go run up 50K this year off of IWM alone. IWM, the strap method, right? Order blocks, fair value gaps. That's all you need. Join the Discord, come get sauced up, come learn how to really do this on an everyday basis, and you're going to be good. All right? So I'm going to break down the whole setup, the whole trade, everything. All right? This video is going to be very valuable to you, right? So be sure you watch this whole video. Okay? So right here, let's go to, all right. So first things first, right? First things first. We got this right here. So I posted this in the morning, right? Pre-market. I said, I hope we could clearly see what's going on with IWM. So inside of the Discord, I have a channel for IWM where I call out every day. I hope we can clearly see what's going on. I said, I can clearly see a head and shoulders on a 30-minute time frame. Head and shoulder, that is a bearish pattern, right? Once we get, we can see it broke a level, came down, and it stopped. That's where the order block is at, right? Once we get below 268.64, we're going to start coming down to the levels I outlined earlier in the week, okay? Now, if you look at this photo, these are the areas that I outlined in the week, right? So when you look at it, it came up, right? Created a shoulder, came down, popped back up, came down, and it's the second shoulder, right? Boom and boom. So we got two shoulders right there, right? A head right here. Stopped at this order block right here. And what did I say? When we get below here, what's going to happen? We're going to come down to the levels that I outlined from Wednesday. Okay, this was Wednesday's trading day. All right, I outlined them. We broke above it. We never came down. So I knew that we were going to come down at some point in time, whether it's Friday or Monday, right? So I'm giving you guys this stuff on a silver platter every single day, all right? So next, we go to the charts. So now we're on the charts, and we got IWM here, right? So as you can see, this is the result of everything that we talked about. right? This is the result. So levels to levels. What did I say in the Discord? I said if we get below 268.64, then we're going to start coming down to the outline levels. What are the outline levels? 266.86, 256.64, and then 264.28, okay? And then 262.95. Those are the outline levels right here from Wednesday, okay? This is Wednesday's trading session. I got these levels from Wednesday's trading session, y'all, right? 266.86, 265.64, 264.28, and then 262.95. All right. So it came, right? So IWM in pre-market right here. So it stopped right here, right? Y'all see how the market, before the market opened, it wasn't below here, right? So I said, okay, if we get below there, boom. And what happened? They didn't even test higher. They started to come down. So they came down and they closed here. They tried to test above. They did not. Okay. This is at 268.18. Then it came down to where? 266.86. Right? Came down to 266.86. Right? Came down, popped up. We had a bearish one candle consolidation. Right? And then what did it do? It came down some more. Where did it come down to, y'all? 265.64. Right? And then it broke through that level. And then where did it come down to? 264.54. Right? And now it looks like it wants to come down for that last leg right here, because this is looking like a bear flag. Okay, and we're on a 30-minute time frame. We have an hour left in the market. Right? So when I'm saying trading level to level, I want you guys to pay attention. This is a 30-minute time frame. It came up, came down. It tried to come up a little bit, rejected, and then it came down again. Right? And then look, it tested here. And then where else did it test? Tested right here. This is an area of liquidity. This is also an area of liquidity. Tested that area of liquidity, couldn't get above it. What did it do? Came down, came down. All right? To that next leg, to that next level. Right? And then it tried to push up, fell to down, tested, rejected, and then what happened? Broke below here. Boom, came all the way down. All right? And that was it. But it was also because we had a bearish pattern, right? On the 30-minute, we had this head and shoulders, right? Boom, shoulder right here. Shoulder right here, okay? And then the head right there, right? Head, well, shoulder, head, shoulder, drop, okay? This is how you can trade level to level, y'all. All right, level to level. The stock comes down to the level. If you're in it, you can take profits, and then it's going to pop up. It's going to try to retrace. If it rejects and it starts to come lower, it's going to go down to the next leg or to the next level. And when you have a bearish pattern on a higher time frame, it's more likely that that is going to end up happening. Okay? So listen, y'all. I don't want to overcomplicate this. If you guys been following me, you know I tell you guys all the time, keep this stuff simple. Also, I forgot to mention this, right? If you go to the daily time frame, on IWM, look at the daily time frame. We had a failed to up with all of this selling pressure. Okay? A failed to up with all of this selling pressure, y'all. Right? So we had a failed to up with all of that selling pressure. And, you know, that's the head and shoulders. The up, the shoulder, head, shoulder, and then the drop. Right? So you can't see the head and shoulders on the daily time frame. But when you go to the 30-minute, you can. But we had that fail to up right here after an up move at all-time highs. Right? So I wanted to show you guys that as well. So the confluences were there, y'all. Right? So please do not overcomplicate this stuff. This can change your life. All right? So like I said one more time, if you guys hit IWM, drop it in the comments, because we know how to trade IWM on a consistent basis. If you want to trade IWM, you're going to come rock with me. You're going to come join the Discord, and you're going to come get this money, because we do it every single day. And everybody inside the Discord can attest to that. Y'all already know what time it is. All right. So I hope that that video helped you guys out. I hope that it made sense. All right. I hope that you guys have a great weekend. Study, do what you got to do, and let's make sure we get this money. All right. So like I always say, make sure you get up out your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right. And also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry. All right. Y'all have a great day. I'm going to holler at you guys on tomorrow's video. All y'all stay smooth. Peace.